Hello guys, again we are back with another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Nevadent Professional Care Premium Electric Toothbrush. Integrated pressure sensor lights up red when you apply too much pressure and reduces cleaning speed. Effectively cleans teeth and gums. Brushing assistant with a Bluetooth, High-speed oscillating system to thoroughly remove plaque. 8 accessories inside, 3 years warranty, stimulating gum massage, gentle cleaning for sensitive areas, thorough cleaning, extra deep cleaning with the highest oscillation speed, pulsing oscillating movement for a bright smile, for fresh breath and clean feeling mouth. Batteries included, toothbrush handle is IPX4 and the charger is IPX7. Includes 8 color-coded toothbrush heads with a high-quality rounded Dupinot, Tinex nylon, monofilament bristless and green indicator bristless indicates when you need to replace the head. 2-minute timer with a 30-second intervals for cleaning the 4 jaws quadrants invenly. Toothbrush handle with a built-in Li-ion rechargeable battery. And let's open it to see what we have inside. Nice case. We have the manual, of course, if you want to read it, is your choice. Nice white traveling case. Interesting. And here is the electric toothbrush. And it goes here. See other accessories. We've got 2 3A batteries. Now, the 4 brushes, you can see, are sealed very well. Nice. The batteries, I assume they go here. Yep. We have rubber for preventing any water to go inside. We have the set button and the hour and minute. Push the set button, go to 24, set, and let's put in the time. Set, and the minute, set. And we are okay with that unit. And we can put it to our lovely case. And there we have some 3M stick. You can put it here, and then you can hang it to your bathroom, just like that. Very convenient. Now, we've got the charger, is micro USB charger, and we've got 5 volts, 1 amp. Nice. This is for your case, for the traveling case. Here we can put some of the accessories, brushes, and you've got 2 spares with you. Now, next, this is the case that you can charge. I can see we can take that out. If you don't have any space to your bathroom, I think yes, we can take that out and use it just like that. And put that here and charge it. It is your choice. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we can put here our replacement of the brushes. And you can use it with your family. If you've got 4 members, that will be very suitable for this case. That's nice. And there is the micro USB. You can plug it. And there we've got a green light, and it means it's charging. And there we've got the battery indicator. You can take it out and everything goes in white. Let's see what the icon means one by one. In the first we have the massage, the second, the feather, is the sensitive, normal is the teeth, deep cleaning is the teeth with a plus, we have a brighten and tone cleaning. Here we've got the LED, lit white during Bluetooth connection and lit red when pressure too high. On off switch, and the function button, what you want to choose. It depends what you are choosing. You can hear the sound. Well, let's install one of these. Of course, you can use all the toothbrushes from the Oral-B line. You can hear massage. We have the sensitive, normal, deep cleaning, brightening, tone cleaning. And if we are going to apply pressure, you can see it goes red. It depends what program, it will be more sensitive. And of course we've got both sides LED. You can see goes red both of the sides. Well, it feels nice manufactured. We have this rubber here. Feels nice to my hand. You can leave it just like that, it will not fall. And you can leave it here. It is your choice. And of course, if I here, you can see it will start to charge again. Nice. And of course, this you can put it here and prevent any dust go to your precious toothbrushes. That's very nice. And of course, we've got a color coded to prevent anyone to take your toothbrush. Now I will test it. I will brush my teeth and see how it works, how it feels. Well, there we are. I have tried all the settings that it has. It feels very comfortable to my mouth, cleaning my teeth with no problem. It feels not so powerful like other brands in the market that they've got a more powerful rotation speed. But I think it depends, of course, the brand. It depends how you like to clean your teeth. For me, I didn't have any problem. I like it. It's very smooth. It's not doing any damage to my gums. That is very important. Overall, I think it's a very nice toothbrush, electric toothbrush. It costs only, of course, 50 euros, but it gives you so much things to do. You've got this lovely case, this smiley clock, and now I will show you how to connect it with this smiley clock. Now, turn it on, turn it off. Hold your P button here, programmable, for 3 seconds, and then push the on-off. And you can see it's blinking 4 times. That means the Bluetooth connection has been established. Now, if you're going to turn on your toothbrush, the connection with the Bluetooth clock, it will happen about after 10 seconds. Well, I have tried so many times to connect this electric toothbrush with this Bluetooth unit, but nothing happened. It will be very nice because it has some icons here, and when you are working with this electric toothbrush, it shows you what you're doing, it shows you what you can do. It shows you you can wash your teeth from the left side, then you can go to the right side, and when you're choosing the program, it shows you here what program you're using, and etc, etc. But I have tried 10 times and nothing. It's still nothing. You need to turn it on, turn it off, then push the programmable and then the on, and it will flash for 4 times, and then it will connect it. But when I turn it on, it's not showing anything to the display. I don't know what is the problem. Well, if someone has buy this electric toothbrush and has managed to connect with this Bluetooth display. Please leave down below to the comments how you have made that. For me, it was thumbs down. Well guys, that was all about this electric toothbrush from Nevadent. I think it's a good electric toothbrush. It's doing a good job. It's cleaning your teeth with all the program. It feels very nice when I'm brushing my teeth. I didn't like that the RPM of this toothbrush are in a low. Well, in some cases is protecting your teeth. Some other cases maybe you don't like that and you need more RPM. It depends the user. For me, it's not so okay. Well, and the second is I didn't manage to connect with this Bluetooth display. And again, I don't know what is the problem. So many trying and nothing. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.